My name is Engineer Martin Obeli, the Fire Chief of Anambra State and the Director. I'll tell you, excellent. Because I came newly to this seat, I took over December, and I must tell you openly and sincerely, since that December till date, we've been fighting fire. Because normally this is the peak of the whole thing, when you see fire break everywhere. And if we had about 100% of fire break within this period, the firefighters has already attended and they fought more than 80%. At least the ones who were called. So we've been going out there, trying our best and giving our best to fight the fire anywhere they are called. Depends on what you mean by highest level, because when you are talking about fire safety and the firefighting, equipment remains equipment, and it's still the same equipment you use to fight the same fire, because fire doesn't change. It's still the same fire break. But all the same, maybe what you are asking is this now, the kind of equipment we use in fighting these fires, if they are available. And I have to tell you, because of the condition of things and because of the area we are situated, then we have those equipment that we can use to fight those fires within this environment. They are there, and most especially the firefighting truck. That is the most important thing. Then it depends again, because we have types of fire and the types of things we can use to extinguish the fire. Then we can now talk about the chemical foam compound, which can be added at a time, sometimes not every now. So those within that angle, then we can now add any other thing. But the most important thing we use in fighting on fire is water and the firefighting truck. Sometimes I would say it's no longer news. The fire service vehicle breakdown. You know why I say it's no longer news? Yes, fire service vehicle is bound to break down. I will tell you the reason. Now, you must know this. That since December till date, we've been fighting fire. And you know the public, what they do is this. Once they fight fire, nobody recognizes fire service. Nobody remembers fire service. Nobody even commend fire. It's just 2 out of 100 that commends fire service for job well done. Nobody remembers even when we go in the midnight to fight fire. They only remember only once when the vehicle is faulty, then the whole world will hear it. I must tell you, that thing that happened at First Bank, yes, our vehicle was down. It broke down. But if that vehicle broke down, when it went to fight fire somewhere within that same vicinity, nobody talked about fighting the same fire all those days. It was when it was coming back after spending more than 7-8 hours. Then as it was coming back, then it had a problem. It was about to be repaired when this one now happened. Then the whole world now have to hear that a fire service vehicle broke down and they could not do anything. I said to say it remains the same every day, but it is not. So that was why, and I want to use this opportunity to tell you one thing. You must know this. Now check private vehicle. People who have their private, it normally breaks down. So why can't fire service truck, which is equally the same the same mechanism, not to break down? If my personal vehicle can break down, then so the same truck will break down. You know why it must break down? Now look at this. A vehicle that is traveling from Anambra to Lagos is taking how many hours? It takes more than 6-7 hours, is it not? And once it gets to Lagos, it will park. It will rest again to wait for another turn, maybe by tomorrow. Now let me tell you one thing. At the end of the day, fire service vehicle will get to the scene of fire, fight fire, and the more they are fighting the fire, the engine is still on, and it will stay more than 6 hours, 7 hours. That is to say, if it is moving, it must have gone to Lagos, is it not? Fine. Now in this case, that vehicle will stay 8 hours fighting fire. Immediately it stops and get back to the fire station. Within 2 hours, another place again will start burning, and the same vehicle, which has already stayed up to 8 hours, like they're supposed to have gotten to Lagos and rest, will now take off again. Tell me why it will not break down.
So, sir, are you telling us now that your office is not well equipped?
No, you are saying it. I didn't say that. We are well equipped. and we have the equipment to fight the fire. I'm only saying that at a time, a vehicle or the equipment we are using, which we've been consistently using, will equally break down. That is what I'm saying. Not that at the end of the day, that in particular, we don't have equipment. We have equipment and we've been fighting. Because if we don't have equipment, well, we've already fought more than 20, 30 fires within December and January. Will you say we don't have equipment? We have equipment. It's just that the vehicle broke down. I always say this, and let me equally use the same opportunity to say something. Now, the public should understand our job. We are of humanitarian service. And what we are coming to, where you have scene of, where you have fire outbreak, we only coming there to do what? To assist. To assist. So if we are coming there to assist, then why wouldn't they understand what we are coming from? Then at the end of the day, people who are around, the public who are there will do what? They say that we don't come in time. Let me say it again. For you to determine the lateness of firefighters to fire scene, a lot of things are involved. A lot of things are involved. So now, those things which are involved is this. One, you now check the time of call. You now check again the distance of the fire scene and the nearest fire station. Then again, you talk about the traffic. So when you consider all this is now, you can now weigh it and know whether firefighters came late to the fire scene. But people should understand again that once fire starts, then at the end of the day, it must destroy things. And if it is destroying things, fire starts immediately. Within 5 minutes, it has spread to different places. And at the end of the day, by the time fire service will come, even within 10 minutes, 20 minutes, they say they didn't come in time because a lot of things have been damaged. I don't blame anybody. They should understand that. And again, fire service vehicle, once it breaks down, what we'll do, we'll request, and the government will do what? You have to apply. You can't just do that. Then you will apply and it will be approved and they will start working on those fire trucks. And now, the same thing at Onitsha, that same place we are talking about, then it is being repaired. And this is a truck, it's not just ordinary vehicle. It's not a car. So it must have to take its procedures, then you repair it and you equip it again. And it will start working. So people should bear with us, the public should bear with us and understand what firefighters are doing.
Thank you, sir.